So hello everyone, I teach organic farming, small-scale organic farming, actually biointensive methods of production. And when we understand biointensive, what we do get is that we need to work with soil ecology and with soils that are loose, deep, loosely and fertile. And we do this by avoiding compaction in the first place, working on permanent beds. We do this by adding good compost and working with tools that can not disturb the ecology. So we avoid the deep tilling, we shallow cultivate, and we use broad forks instead. And we do cover crops and crop rotation. These are the foundation of good healthy soil, which produces good healthy plants, which in the end produces good healthy people. So at the Market Gardener Institute, we are working to develop better farming practices to help farmers. And what we're hopeful is that our network of farms together, we can build better farms and better soil health, because the foundation of all the farms is soil health. So it's really important. That is our driving force, is the soil and how we treat the soil.